All right, today we are done with night shift for the week. Thank God. We are going to be putting up Christmas lights, and I think that's the extent of the chores today. Got the Christmas concert tonight, and yeah, it's going to be a relatively chill weekend. Finish up some Christmas shopping tomorrow. Sorry I didn't get a lot of content out this week with the storm we had and everything going crazy. Ooh, what was that? Okay, just a stick. I want to make sure I didn't blow a tire. I think these tires are older than me. Pretty sure these are the ones my grandpa put on, well, 20 years ago. They don't even make this size tire anymore. I have to go back over the specs, but I have to buy standard steel rims to get new tires because, like I said, you can't get them anymore. It's kind of a pain. It's kind of cool, but it's kind of a pain because the sidewalls are starting to go out after all this time. I have retrieved the ladder. Just got it back a little bit ago. Started putting up the lights. I had to plug them in to make sure it wasn't my extension cord that was bad, but I plugged the leaf blower in, it was good. But I was talking about the atmospheric river before I got distracted with my tires. And I had a guy comment on one of my comments on another video about how they got 5.5 inches over on the peninsula, and I really don't like heights. I mean, that's just insane. That's like a 7-8 year record, something crazy like that. There's flooding all over. I mean, the mountains you can't see behind me, but even if I sit on the roof, you can't see them. They issued a flood warning for those rivers. I'm sure up north is the same. But we were getting like 60-mile-an-hour winds, which is not uncommon, but for this time of year, it's really uncommon. Trees were coming down. I was trying to get content of that, but we were just so busy with jumping in different trucks, getting chainsaws out, trying to be as safe as we could, working along the highways because that's where I work, and getting them open back up so traffic can flow. It was just chaos. I gotta find a GoPro or something. But we will continue hanging these lights. I gotta pick up the boy here in a bit. My #1 fan. He is obsessed with the channel. I love it. I mean, I'm glad he watches other content too, don't get me wrong, but he watches every single video. He asked me the other day, so can I subscribe? I'm like, Bubs, you gotta get yourself a channel first. He goes, how can I get a channel? I'm like, you gotta be 13. Fine. Can you subscribe? No, I can't subscribe to myself. Or can I? Anywho, oh, big news. I got 50-something subscribers now. I can live stream. So hopefully next snowstorm, if we get any more snow this winter, that'll be what's happening. I can set up a phone mount and do a little live streaming when it's snowing if anybody's gonna stay awake that late. I work till 1:30 in the morning, sometimes 3 if it's snowing bad. So that's it makes for an interesting shift, that's for sure. But I'm gonna get carrying on with this, and like I said, I'm sorry I don't have a way to hold my phone. I could put it in the tree, but it'll probably fall out with this breeze. I'll update you when I get more done. To whoever invented this glove mitten combo, I mean, I love fingerless gloves, don't get me wrong, but when it's really cold, you can flip the mitten over. Like they're technically called a grommet. I got them at Cabela's, gosh, 20 years ago, and they're still holding up. They are hard to beat. A little bit of thinsulate in the fingers, keeps you warm. Don't mind that. I figured out exactly how sharp I can get a chainsaw. But to whoever invented these, thank you. They're amazing.